Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you have completed with your good morning rhyme, prayers, phonic drill, days of the week and months of the year. Do the revision of color of the month, that is black and white color, and shape of the month, that is curve line. Also do the revision of hero of the month, that is Aryabhatta. Very good. Let's revise few lines about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, known as the ancient genius, he was the great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in Kusumapura, now known as Patna, in Bihar. He invented numeric value 0 in the subject of mathematics. He discovered the time period of rotation of Earth around Sun 1500 years ago, motion of the planets in solar system. Children will also do the revision of community helper, that is astronaut. Let's revise few lines about astronauts. Astronauts are also called spacemen. They travel in space or spacecraft to space. What they are using? Spaceship and spacecraft. To go to space. They travel in space. They are away from their home for months and years to study space and planets. What they are doing? They are studying about space and planets. They study science and astronomy to become scientists, to travel into space. Astronauts have to undergo training and testing, physical body check to travel in space. They are scientists who travel and work in space above Earth. They are scientists. Astronauts are also scientists who travel and work in space above Earth. We have one example of astronaut. Children, Aryabhatta is our example of astronaut. He is great Indian mathematician and also astronaut. Astronomer also. Yes, children. He is our hero of the month and also example of astronaut. Children, today we will learn about national symbols. We will start with national emblem. We can see this on our currency, on 10 rupees, 20 rupees, on every notes and every coins. We can see this symbol. In there is lion. Yes, lion is on it. Then the next one is national flag. Yes, our national flag. How many colors are there in the national flag? 3 colors. On the top, orange. In the middle, white. And then green. Orange, white and green. Then one circle in between. In white color, there is one circle. What we called? Ashoka Chakra. And then national bird. National bird is peacock. Yes, our national bird is peacock. Then next one is national tree. Our national tree is banyan tree. Then the next one is flower. National flower. National flower is lotus. Yes, children. Lotus is our national flower. Now animal. National animal is tiger. Yes, children, tiger is our national animal. We will revise national emblem, national flag, national bird, national tree, national flower and national tiger. National animal tiger. National bird is peacock. National tree is banyan tree. And national flower is lotus. Yes, children. We will meet in next class. Do the revision of color of the month, that is black and white. Shape of the month, curved line. Hero of the month, Aryabhatta. And community helper, astronauts. Okay, bye-bye. Be safe. Take care. See you in next class.